Hey everyone, quick update, just a trade plan for BNB only. This is probably the most important trade right now in the market. Rumors going around that liquidation price of BNB has been lowered now. It was apparently 212, now it's I think 202, and rumors going around that CZ has been selling customer funds, basically pulling a FTX to prop the BNB token or the Binance token to the current price. And if this loses support or if the liquidation price actually is true, then this could send shockwaves throughout the market. But quickly, let's go over it. So we see on the weekly 208 is a pretty strong support level, right? We broke out, retested it, flipped it to support, flipped it to, or retested it, held it as support, and we just bounced off of it. Now, this level is very important because if lost, there's literally nothing down here. We go on the daily, and I'll show you the next levels, but this is pretty kind of scary. So if I go on the daily, all right, the next demand zone isn't until 140 down to 118. I'm just going to draw that all the way across. All right, so that's the next demand zone there. And if I go back on the weekly, we can see that there is a clean cup and handle if I invert the scale. Okay, there is your cup, and the handle is usually a bull flag, and there's your handle, right? Okay, target of this is going to be that area. Now this is just an inverted scale. I'm giving technical targets here, but see bear flag broken down, even retested it, and now it's holding. So this bear flag target or inverted bull flag target is down to 81, which is close to the next support level. But if we take a look at this, right, and we break it down level by level, lose this, the next area that it could bounce from is going to be this region here from 195 down to 81. Okay, this wick, that's the liquidity level, but lose that and it's free fall. Okay, so if we were to take a look at this, we see that we have, and if I go back on the weekly here, clear supply zone here. Okay, so that's our weekly supply zone. I go back on the daily, we see that we have supply zone here. Okay, now why that area? 4-hour consolidation supply zone. Okay, we actually broke down, retested that resistance as well. So this is pretty strong resistance. So two trades can be taken here. One, we go back to this weekly here. This is a definite short opportunity if we get it. Not sure if we get it anytime soon. 4-hour, we're going to be focusing on current time frame. All right, so we have this resistance level, 213. A short can be taken there. It stops above 220 level, and we're going to target much lower. Right now, this is a risky trade because everyone's expecting a short for BNB. Everyone's expecting this to dump, so everyone's expecting to short this. So this could be a risky trade. I think it's still one that we could take with light entry and easy invalidation, right? If it flips this to support, this resistance here to support, then you can cut the trade, but you would hold it up until lower. And if we were to add some fibs to here, so let's start. All right, let's draw fibs. Okay. So we see that it rejected from the golden pocket. Okay. Next touch is this 182 area, right? And this is a short that I would take. Again, I go in light here. So an entry around 213 with your stop loss above here is invalidation, and we go much lower. And you would cut this manually if it flips this 220 into support. I know we have a hard stop loss, but that's the invalidation point. Otherwise, the next point that I'm looking to take, or the next short that I'm looking to take, is going to be the swing trade here. If this does somehow rally back up to this 233 to 250 level, this is a definite short, and this is one that we would definitely take, right? And then to send it to new lows. Also, on top of that, the other trade that I'm going to remove the fibs here, but the other trade that we take is if it loses this 208 level, okay? So this black level here, and turns it into resistance, then it's going to be a max short down to this demand zone on the daily. So there's nothing but air below this. 3 separate trades given here. That's what I'm looking for. It's a very risky trade to call publicly, but upon confirmation, that's what you could take. So do what you will with this, and that's my trade plan for BNB. Thank you.